everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I was able to get my 15 CPD units for free. So what is CPD? We all know that CPD stands for Continuing Professional Development. It is a term used to describe the learning activities that we professionals needs to engage in to develop and enhance our abilities. So the first one that we have to understand is that CPD units is required. So before you renew your license, you need to make sure that you're able to complete at least 15 CPD units. It actually depends on your profession. So you can find a lot of webinars, workshops. Some of these are free, but most of them are actually paid. Now here are some of the regulations or some of the things that you have to know about CPD. Next is here is a table where you can see the required CPD units for each of the profession. So from accountancy down to veterinary medicine. And for professional teachers, we have here 15 CPD units. Actually, if you can see here, most of these professions requires a minimum of 15 CPD units. So now let me share with you where did I get my 15 CPD units. So for many months or even years, I've actually been looking for seminars and workshops in Facebook or in other platforms like the internet. But most of the seminars and workshops that I have seen are actually paid, and usually it's 1,000 pesos to even 3,000 to 5,000 pesos. But I came across this post in Facebook, which is the Teach on Keeping the Passion Alive. So since I'm a member of the page CPD Units, I was able to see their post, and they showed or they posted a modular learning for Teach on Keeping the Passion Alive. And so I started to browse in their page, and I've seen that there has been a lot of runs already of this program. And the thing here is that it is totally free. So I checked on this CPD Units and found out that they were certified. So number one, they're certified by DepEd and also the PRC, which actually gives us more confidence to really take this course, meaning that it is legit and that whatever CPD units we get will actually be recognized by PRC. And of course, the content of the module is very interesting and you will really learn a lot from them. So they actually gave a guide on how you are going to enroll to their course. First one is you have to go to Course Bank. It is like a website wherein you can take your course, so like Coursera. So this is what I enrolled in Course Bank, and this is already the 4th run of this Teach on Keeping the Passion Alive modular course. So how do you enroll to this course? Here are some of the simple steps that you have to follow. So here's the first step. You have to create a Course Bank account. This is easy because you can connect your Facebook account or your Google Mail account. After that, you will have to fill out the form with the information. Make sure that you provide your complete name and you remember your password. The next step is you will have to verify your email, and then you have to check course back again for confirmation, and you can now already log into your account. Fourth is you have to find the Teach on Keeping the Passion Alive, so whatever is open. So at the moment, I think when you go to their Facebook account, it's not yet open for another run. We just finished the Passion Alive 2021 4, but I believe that next year they will have another run of this course. And then the step 5 is to enroll, and after you enroll, you can already view your course. I suggest that you read carefully all the instructions, as what is written here, the course is self-paced, and you have about 2 to 3 months to finish your course. You can check on the progress bar or the outline, the course outline of this online course to see your progress and for you to know what parts of the course you still need to work on. Okay, so after that, you can now enjoy the module. So here, I would like to show you some sample activities that you can expect as you enroll to the module. So number 1, there are videos. I love this part because I'm able to hear stories from different educators. So here's an example there. And part of the video is that there are some reflection questions I might ask from you to see if you learn something from the video that you watch. Another activity is the Padlet, forums and discussions. So I also love this part because I'm able to just reflect on my experience, and at the same time the learning that I'm having with the module as I go through it. Example here, the image on the left is actually my mind map. So there is a question that you have to answer, and it is required that you finish it if you want to have the certificate at the end of the course. You can also comment on different sharings of the educators who are enrolled in this course. So this self-check is like a reflection. It has some questions that you have to answer, and it's usually in Google form. So with a final requirement, of course, with every module that you have to take, there's a final requirement. Now, if you just want to take the course for your own learning and you don't need the certificate, or maybe you don't want an additional CPD units, you may not do the final requirement. But if you are like me, I am in need of a CPD unit, then I need to work on the final requirement. So the final requirement is a final paper. So you have to make sure that you follow the instruction given and that you provide all information based on the final requirement guide. And as you enroll in the course, you will see what the final paper is all about. And you will have to submit that together with some other attachments like your ID, your picture. Now, few reminders. They also posted this in their Facebook account. One of the reasons why there are some educators who was not able to pass the assessment or the module even after they have submitted their paper is because of these reasons. So number one, plagiarism. Second, incomplete, meaning some of the questions are not answered or the attachments are not there. And number three, it's too short because it has to be more than 800 words. So you have to make sure that you're able to comply with these requirements together with, of course, a well-written content of your final paper. So this is the certificate of completion. This is mine, and as you can see, it is certified, and I took it from July 23 to September 24. And it is issued last November 30, 2021. And it is equivalent to 40 hours or 15 CPD credits. So this is a big help. Just trivia, this is not actually my first time to take the course. This is actually my third time, meaning the first one I was not able to complete. The second one, I submitted the final requirement but I did not pass, meaning when they posted in their Facebook account, my name was not there. My name was not on the list. And so this time I really took it seriously, and upon their post, I was really nervous that I might not make it again, but thankfully I was able to see my name there and I passed. So it is really a good accomplishment as well. So there you go. I hope that you learned something from it, and I wanted to share it with everyone. I hope that you can check out their Facebook account, and I hope you can also enroll in this course. So thank you so much everyone, and happy learning!